Good afternoon, everybody. We have great news. Your staterooms are now open. Woohoo! So you may now all move into your new home for the next few days and nights. Once again, your staterooms are now open. Thank you to our amazing housekeeping team for the quick turnover today. So once you've unpacked, come back out, enjoy a cocktail, and of course we do have our sail away party starting at 4 o'clock today, everybody. But if you haven't yet attended your muster station, please do so. You can do it after unpacking in your stateroom, because your muster station details are on the back of your stateroom door and on your SeaPass card, which you will find in your stateroom. Thanks, everybody. Welcome aboard.
Okay.
Wow. Good timing.
Yeah. That's one line. So we're in room 7590. And it's a spacious ocean.
No, it's a regular ocean.
Oh, sorry. Regular ocean. Regular balcony. Sorry.
Regular ocean view balcony.
It's been a long day. It's a very long day.
All right, go through that way. And
And you have the lights on. There's storage on this side. And the same type of storage is on the other side.
yeah.
You have drawers on the desk. A couple of drawers. This drawer has the hairdryer.
Decent amount of outlets.
Yes, decent amount of outlets. Nice, put stuff on. You have your mini refrigerator here. Plenty of storage. You've got storage up here. And then you have your safe.
Yeah, definitely a lot of storage here.
Yeah. You have your safe,
Safe.
here.
Which usually it's in the closet,
Yeah,
but it's here.
It's kind of
Okay.
nice to be here.
Yeah, it's actually much better to get at. Not easy to see.
Got your closet with a lot of storage. You got shelves. You got stuff to hang stuff. You have shelves. Your life jacket.
Now those things drop down, I think, to either like you put your luggage right there if you wanted to, or hang stuff from.
Right, smaller stuff. And then, of course, we should start from the beginning.
No,
You
that's
have
fine.
your instructions.
Show you where you are. You're catching thrills, sleeping off the adventure, do not disturb signs.
We have a bathroom.
Well, let's see. Oh, okay. All right, not bad. Bed, the round bathroom. Storage.
Only one side.
There's storage here. One sink.
Open the shower.
Some hangers there too. And guess what's in the shower, honey?
Stop. You got shelves. That's what you have. 2 shelves, which are nice.
But no alarm.
Nice full-length mirror. You can control if it's cold or warm.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Couch to sit.
Now you got to keep the balcony closed so the air conditioning doesn't kick on. Also, I don't see. Yeah, you don't have to put a sail and sign card in anything.
No, it's the old way.
Yeah, this is a little. Ship's a little older.
Right. You have a couch.
Couch probably folds out. I don't see any type of fold down thing.
Yeah.
The curtain that pulls across if you wanted to. Separate them out.
We have a light.
Let's see what we have here.
Some reading lights, it looks like. I guess it's a reading light. I guess you can. Yeah, it's a reading light because you can turn it.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's cool. No electric there though, correct?
Don't see any.
Maybe behind?
Maybe behind. No.
No? Okay.
And then you have drawer, storage there. And then you have another one on this one.
Okay, so if you're a fellow CPAP user, you're gonna have to make sure you have an extension cord to go across from the by the TV area for electric.
Nice size spot.
Yeah. Decent sized balcony.
Yeah, very nice.
Nice big high table, which
Yeah,
I like.
that. I like that too.
Some of them they have they're real small. And here we are, Port Canaveral. See the drone ships.
Yes.
Those ships right there are what SpaceX uses when they launch rockets and the boosters land back at sea. They go out. The boosters actually land on those like helipad looking things. If you haven't seen, it's really neat. And then they bring it back here to be reused. On the back of the ship, that it looks like a catapult thing or whatever. That's what they use when they splash down from. They come back to the International Space Station. The capsule lands, and they actually can use that. That thing folds down. They capture the capsule, bring it back onto the ship, and then the astronauts get out of the capsule and they go in there for coming back to the Space Center here in Port Canaveral. Kind of neat. Now we'll also try to get these. Angela's mom is next door, so we're going to try to have them open up the balcony between the two rooms, so that way we can kind of go back and forth there. Alrighty. That's it. Yeah. Nice size, comfortable with. What are your thoughts, son?
Very nice. Very, very nice. I love the space. I love there's plenty of drawers.
Yeah, pretty nice sized room too.
Yeah.
Larger than a lot of them that we've been on the medium sized ship, I would call it.
Yeah.
But yeah, plenty of room. You would, it's really be no problem for 3 people in here, other than the bathroom. The bathrooms are always tough.
Yeah, they're always small.
But yeah, that's it. So, thanks for watching.